In this video, we show how to replace a power distribution board in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover, front cover, air shroud, cable holders, memory modules, risers, drives, DLC module, processors, OCP NIC card, Bose N1, DC SEM board, internal USB, HPM board. To remove the PDB, start by disconnecting the cables connecting the PDB. Next, remove all 10 screws. And lift the PDB away from the system. To install the PDB, align in its place and tighten the 10 screws. And then reconnect the cables. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.